being in the moment. We are people too. Take the call before you just show up, boo. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, PageeTurner, and I'm back with another video. Alright, y'all, we finna get straight into this freaking video, but before I do, make sure you like y'all like when it's snowing outside on a snowy day. Comment like you will if you know you have any more suggestions that go with the theme of this freaking video, and subscribe because we family now and you want to join the lit crew. You feel me? Let's go.
Hey, money, I can be your best dream. I appear in your best dream.
Alright, if you don't know what's going down today, you already freaking read the title of this video, so you know what this video is all about. This is my dedication to Valentine's Day, okay? And I'm not talking about the Valentine's Day where they be pulling the roses out and the man be, you know, they be buying, the couples be doing their thing. They be posting all over YouTube, all over Instagram, all over Twitter. We see it, we love it, we not hating. We're not hating, right? But that's really not enough videos on what to do when you ain't got no boo. So that's what this is. Valentine's Day spent by yourself. Because Valentine's Day, people think Valentine's Day is about couples, about love, about, you know, but it's really about love appreciation. And most of y'all don't appreciate yourself, but it be expecting somebody else to appreciate you. So we got to start with you, boo. We got to start at numero uno, okay? So today I will be doing a single guide to Valentine's Day, the things that you should be putting into your Valentine's Day routine until you get the boo that you want. All right?
They say love is in the air, so I hold my breath till my face turn purple. Keep a few bad bitches in my circle.
So number one, this is the day before Valentine's Day. This is like a day or two before. This is all about prep day. Prep. If you're not prepping, you're not prepared. Because then the day is going to be trash because you're going to be trying to go out. And guess what you're going to see when you out? Long lines. People in the way doing dumb stuff. All of the product and all of that ran out of time. You know what I mean? You're not going to have nothing. Everything's going to be gone. Especially for the people who is going to be waiting last minute to get to the things they need. You don't want that to be you. You don't want to be stuck in them lines. So what is the number one thing? Preparation. So the day before or 2 days before, you're going to get dressed. And I mean dressed. I'm not talking about the sweatpants and the yoga shirt you keep in the front of your closet. I mean dressed. Get cute. Because when we feel good and we look good, then, you know, we're going to do our best self-awareness. We're going to do our best being in the moment, okay? So we're going to get dressed. Once you get your clothes on, you're heading out the door. Now, my personal favorite stores to go to is the 99-cent store or like my local dollar store. Or even if I'm trying to get real crafty, I'll hit up, what's that store called? The one with all the stuff? Hobby Lobby. Love me a good Hobby Lobby moment. Or Michael's. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It's either one of those. Or if you real, go to Joanne because she got everything up in there. But get you a craft project. Something you've always wanted to do. Something you always wanted to dedicate your time to. Whether you were just like, I want to see if I can customize some sneakers. Now, don't go out and spend a whole bunch of money on some sneakers for you to mess them up. I started at Walmart sneakers, baby. You know the dupes they be having? Try to decorate some of those first before you go to the big leagues, okay? And then just get you a project that is the most you it could be. So like if you like fashion, pick up a fashion project. Pick up one of those books that's just like how to sew a scarf, hand sew a scarf or something, and get all the products for that. You like painting, pull out some painting supplies. Go to 5 and Below. They have things there. They have little paint sets, paint by numbers, everything that you can do, because this is about dedicating time to yourself and the love that you put into yourself. And so I know it might sound corny. I know most of y'all probably like, boo, tomatoes. I'm throwing up tomatoes, but it's necessary. I promise you it's necessary. All right, number 2 is you're going to go get a meal. Now, if you like to order in, there's no judgment over here. I'm a quick door dasher. Be like, drop my food off. But if you like to cook, it is something that allows you to put effort towards something that you made. When we spend time creating something with our own hands, we start to notice things about ourselves that we can put love and appreciation towards. So even if you don't make yourself a full-blown 4-course meal, baby, at least pick up something that's easy to bake, like dessert. Make some cookies from scratch, or make some cinnamon rolls. You know what I mean? Just make something you have to put in the oven and watch and spend time and dedication towards, so it don't burn and burn down your house. You know what I mean? Especially if you're not that good at cooking, because it could be serious. But get you an easy little project. Maybe if you get some cupcakes and decorate them yourself. That easy, right? And get you something to eat, because food is necessary. And if you like a little drink here and there, you know, and you old enough, pick you up one too, because this is the day. Whatever makes you happy, that is what you want to go out and invest in, because this is the day about making yourself happy, not anybody else. Because that's really all Valentine's Day is, going out of your way to see the different ways that you can appreciate your partner. And if you do not have a partner, then you need to go out and find all the different ways to appreciate yourself. And because how are you going to ask from somebody else something that you don't even know what you want? You don't even know what to expect from a person, because you've never taken the time to give yourself those things. You know what I mean? You're basing your entire relationship off social media, but baby, half those people don't even know what they want out of their own relationships. So like, yeah, not a good way to start. Now, this is the day of Valentine's Day. And get you a self-care kit if you into that. Now, this is Valentine's Day. This is the morning of Valentine's Day. Even if you are not a breakfast person, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to get up and make you some type of breakfast. It can be as easy as like baking a bagel and putting cream cheese on it, or cutting up some fruit and putting on a plate. Now, once you do that, I want you to go back. If you like eating in your bed, I recommend doing it in your bed. Go back to your bedroom, put it on the side of you, and get you a notebook and a piece of paper. Now, this is the moment that is really, it's reflection time. You're going to sit there and you're going to write all of the things that you love about yourself. Now, this can be hard. This might take a little bit. If you like me, I throw me some good old music in the background that make me feel good, make my soul full. And I get to writing, because we spend so much time appreciating other people and saying how much what we love about other people, forget that we are people too. And sometimes you have to take those moments to idolize yourself, to be like, I love you because I see how you care about other people. I love you because I like the way you give advice. I like the way you talk. You know what I mean? It's things we take advantage of. We take advantage of ourselves more than anything else in this world. And so you have to take that moment to be like, okay, self, what do we love about you today? Because we talk about what we hate about ourselves all of the time, but it's like, what do you love? What can benefit you? Once you finish that note, you finish your breakfast, first thing you're gonna do, boom, get up, wash the dishes. It's gonna make you feel like you was being productive. Now, you're gonna pull out that self-care kit after you like brush your teeth, wash your face, do all that. I don't feel like I should have to tell y'all that, but I'm gonna throw it in there just in case. So you grab your self-help kit. This could be like the painting you got. This could be you actually got like the nails, the hair, the thing, you doing that today. Whatever you grab, the customizing shoes, legs, this has no gender. So like whatever you want to make it you. That's the most important thing. Make it you. So grab your you moment. You're going to take it and you're going to work on it. You're going to dedicate about 2 hours to this project. Even if you don't finish it, even if you finish it way before 2 hours, dedicate a whole block of 2 hours towards this project so you can put your utmost effort into it. Like you want to, if you got to start over 15,000 times, start over 15,000 times. If you want to test it on something else, test it on something else, because it's about slowing down and being in the moment, something that we do not do a lot as human beings. So even if it's literally frustrating you, take a beat, walk away, get some water, get some juice, get a cup of liquor, come back to it, and keep going at it, because that is going to make the project more meaningful. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to throw me on a good little binge Netflix. I'm a romantic comedy person because I ain't gonna lie, I'm a hopeless romantic all the way. I like the movies, the shows, the everything, even if it's so corny. And I'll be like, this will never really happen. I'll be like, oh, but if it did happen, I'm a hopeless romantic. I got it so bad. I got it so bad, y'all. It's not even funny. So I drop my romantic comedies in the background. I'm doing my project. I'm sitting there being with myself, you know, loving that other people is in love, because you can appreciate love without having to be in it. You can see, like, just like you be happy for your friends and them when they find their people, that's the same thing. You can appreciate love without having to be in it. So I choose romantic comedies, but you can do your true crime and all of that. That get you that too, boo. It be entertaining too. So I throw that on in the background, or I throw me some music on in the background if I don't feel like watching nothing. I sit there in that 2 hours and I do my project, and I just dedicate time to me, doing nothing else. Not for work, not for school, not for anybody else in my life, just me, because I want to do it. And after that, I get up and I get dressed, okay? You gonna bust out that lingerie been waiting to wear for somebody else, man? Put it on and wear for yourself, okay? If you ain't got no lingerie, if that's not you, you got them sexy pajamas, you want to walk around your house and you live alone and you want to walk around naked, do it, okay? Because this is about appreciating what you want to do. Because I'd be quick to just, like, if I'm in my own crib, not have no clothes on, I'm just going to walk around and be me. Ain't nobody coming in my house today. And if you did, you need to call before you just show up, boo, because you might get a moon awakening. But once you do that, you're going to take the note. And this part is going to be so cringy. I promise y'all. If you're first doing it, it's going to feel terrible. But you're going to take the note. You're going to stand in front of a mirror, whatever you got on, whether it be lingerie or completely naked, whatever you're doing, stand in front of a mirror, and you're going to read the note aloud to yourselves. It's going to teach you a lot about yourself, and it's going to let you know how you really feel about the person you are, you know? And then once you finish that note, you're going to go back into the living room. Like I said, either you're ordering it or cooking it. You're going to make yourself a meal. Even if you ordered it, you're going to put it on an actual plate that come out of your kitchen. And you're going to put the setup like you're having company over. Like you have somebody literally on their way to your house. You're going to set it up like that. Like do the little works, put out the little roses like you would if you had somebody coming over, because you're showing up for yourself. So you do have somebody coming over, the you want to be. So you want to prepare for this person. You want to make it look nice. You want to set the scene. You want to pull out those candles you've been hiding in the back of your closet. You want to make sure the space is clean. You want to make sure the food is good. Like all of that effort we take and put into other people, you need to put into yourself in this moment. Because that's going to show you how much you're willing to do for another person. Because it should always match how much you're willing to do for yourself. And and it also will set the boundaries for what you expect for somebody else when they finally do come into your space and come into your life. And so create that moment for yourself. And you sit, and it might be as simple as watching TV, listening to music, You eat your dinner, you eat your dessert, no judgment at all. You eat as much as you want to eat, because if it was somebody else eating your food, you would not judge them, okay? And then you relax. Because the most important thing about spending a Valentine's Day alone is relaxation. That is what makes it, what gives you that love, that external love that you're craving, that appreciation for somebody else. And if you're a person who spends a lot of time by yourself, this might seem like another day, but then that's the challenge for yourself, to make it not be another day, to make it special, to put the extra effort in. Because when you do start being with a partner, everything's going to start seeming routine. And so you're going to have to challenge yourself. What can I do today to let them know that they're appreciated and make our situation not seem so routine? And so you got to do that same thing with it. It's the same thing with yourself. I promise you, it's the same thing with yourself. You wake up today and you're like, what can I do for myself so my day does not seem so routine? I don't seem so stuck in this person I'm expected to be, so stuck in this routine I have created for myself. A little spice can go a long, long, long way, okay? So although most of y'all want to be like, call your sneaky link on Valentine's Day and not be in these streets alone, sometimes it's better to get to know yourself than try to fill that space, that unknowingness, with somebody else's personality and try to convince yourself that's who you are. So this Valentine's Day, we will love us. We will put us forward, and I hope y'all got some tips, some tricks, something to make your day a little spicy and a little cute and a vibe. If you really want to share it with the word, take a video and post it on social media. It's really supposed to be by yourself, but like if you really want to feel like you're sharing it with somebody else, you could do that. That's a cop out, okay? So, if you made it this far, guess what? Made it to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell. So when I post a video, you can tell. Make sure you hit that bell. Make sure you hit that bell. All right, y'all. It's PageeTurner.
Take it, see, alright.